Well, it's because it's another audition. Okay, I've been to hundreds of auditions. Do you want to know what happens? Either they cut me off because someone ordered a sandwich, or they interrupt me after 2 seconds, or I'm crying and then they start laughing, or I walk into a room and I'm one of 100 lookalikes who never really had a chance because maybe
What?
maybe I'm not good enough. Okay,
Yes, you are.
maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm one of those people that always wanted to do it, but they never really had a chance. And it's a pipe dream, and maybe it's like you said, maybe I just need to grow up. I can go back to school. I can find something else that I'm supposed to be doing. I gave it a shot. I left school, and it didn't work out. I spent 6 years doing it. I just don't want to do it anymore.
Why?
Why what?
Why don't you want to do it anymore?
Because maybe it hurts just a little too much.